All right. So we ain't even got to introduce ourselves by now.
You know what it is.
You already know it's like the dynamic.
Okay, Ron,
duo.
get it.
Oh wait,
get it.
wait.
Bring it in. Bring it in, Ron.
Oh.
Hey.
Hey.
Do the hustle, Ron.
Oh. Coach Ron right there in the building.
And he just backs out.
And he
Real
backs
casual.
out.
Real casual.
All right. I warmed up. Anyway. The full workout is going to be in the description below. Angie hit me up. What did you say you wanted to work out?
I was like peach emojis. That's
peach emojis.
what we need to do.
So,
and like I'm gonna show you because I want what I want. I want this like a upper butt. You know what I'm saying? Like it's nice right there.
Shelf.
But like I want like a donkey booty.
All right.
Like
so I'm gonna give her my world's famous booty con workout.
I don't know what this is. I'm just gonna do it.
This is part 2, all right?
Okay.
So she's gonna be the model. I'm gonna do the workout too. But she's gonna be the model because my booty pause is already
right.
It's already looking right. So
but it's also for functional stuff because like I have a tendency to compensate with my quads, my hips get really tight. So just to build better glute strength in general, but I also want to be aesthetically pleasing.
Exactly. So ladies, all right, this edition is for you, all right? Booty con part 2.
Men too, because we like a nice, we like a nice little.
Yeah, you know, like just saying, because I want to be doing the workout too. My booty's already looking right.
Because you do the workout.
Yeah, in jeans and bucket naked. Bucket naked.
Bucket. That's what it is. Looking good naked.
What we're gonna do is take you step by step through the workout, and yeah, everything's gonna be linked below. This is something that you could keep in your back pocket in the gym all over the world, all right? Learn from like the source, where it came from first is right here. Caesar Life channel, all right? Let's get it. All right, so that was like the core engagement for the booty con. So what you would notice is all those movements is going to be like the hinging, the squatting, and the lunging position. So we wanted to keep her core engaged throughout all of those movement patterns that we are going to be using throughout the session. So how did that feel?
It's tough. I think just keeping your back flat and really focusing on like drilling your abs and your trans abs like into the floor, really challenging if you're not used to doing that and you have like overcompensating stronger quads. Like
all right, yeah, so.
But it's good, it's good.
Add that to the beginning of your session, you're gonna feel your core working throughout the whole entire duration of said session. All right, so now let's get into the warm-up real quick and then get going, all right? No wasting time, let's go. What's going on, Pat?
Tea time, tea time.
Yo, so
This is nice.
workout suspended, training session suspended.
Look good. Oh, fresh.
You're a handsome double.
Shaved
Look at that, clean shaven. Oh, model.
Like that?
He used to work for Abercrombie, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, Charlotte's pissed. The session just got interrupted by the fire.
What set were you in, Charlotte? What set?
That's how you feel about Soul Cycle.
You love it.
I love it.
Yo,
Swallowing up them chinos.
booty con.
Squats are working. That one?
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go run around the commons. Will someone text me if we get back in?
Okay. All right. So she's going to run around the comments.
Yes.
Yeah, and yeah, we'll see you back in there.
Wow, look at this.
Like touching.
This is the future right here. Hop in there, Caesar. This is the future.
Boom.
Oreo
This is your
cookie.
future. Right
Oh
here.
yeah, yo, right in there. Get in there, Oreo. Come
This
on.
is your future.
Get in there, Oreo. Look at that. Look at that
Double
sandwich.
stuff because I've been
Oreo
bulking.
cookie.
I've been bulking up.
Isn't this the
Don't rush
podcast?
into me. Don't you?
Is this the podcast?
Oh yeah, this is the
The
podcast.
Oreo podcast.
The Oreo
What was it called? The Oreo something.
Oreo podcast.
Oreo double stuff.
Oh, Oreo double
bulking.
stuff.
I'm
Oh, okay.
bulking.
A hot dog
Oh,
on a
wait.
stick right here.
I've been bulking, so it's double stuff.
All right.
I've been bulking.
You've been now.
Bulking.
Yeah.
You've been bulking. All right. So,
You fucking hitting the gym, dude.
wait, what's going on with BootyCon so far? What happened?
Okay.
So I was in the middle of making gains, and then Karen decided to come online, and
Was it Karen or Becky?
I was Becky. You know what? Fuck that. It was Becky. Becky decides to tell me to get out the gym because there's some kind of emergency. I'm a risk taker, and I like to take risks. I could have stayed down there. What fire?
Yo, so hopefully we can get back to it because we was like making some epic games.
Because I have 25 minutes on a meter.
Oh shit, and 25. You see, we racing against the clock, all right? So, hey, sweat still glistening. It's
that
crazy.
Lulu?
So due to a fire emergency,
Booty
you
put
just
on
see us like out here in these streets. All right. In these streets, BootyCon had to be suspended. Maybe yo.
Cranberry bogs. Handsome. Cranberry bogs are handsome.
He from the wild ass suburbs, yo.
Yo, can you give us an accurate description of what happened this morning?
Well, there happened to be a fire up on the 10th floor, and it's not in the gym, so I don't know why the fuck we're out here.
And to you, Christian.
Yo, what happened was, you know, I brought that fire today. You know what I'm saying? I was dropping those bars. You know what I'm saying? They had to send the fire department. Shit happens, feel me? This shit happens. Sometimes you just drop that fire on them. They send the fire department. Look, it's never happened before. You know, you reach greatness. It's a thing.
Yo, you don't know how you be doing it?
I don't know how I do it, but I be doing it. Feel me? I don't know how I do it, but I be doing it.
Spin it.
It's crazy, man. All right, to you in the studio.
We are back, ladies and gentlemen.
What fire alarm? I'm sweating and I feel a little swole right now, but I like it. Definitely notice a difference when I don't tilt and engage my core. Definitely notice that. Whew, what a difference.
Yeah.
Gains.
Gains. All kinds.